Hey folks, Vlogger John here, and it's a Thursday morning around 8:30, and I'm walking over here to the wood lot where I keep my wood, and I have my MS 250 with me today. That is the saw that I found for free on the side of the road this past summer, or last summer I guess you could say. And I got some wood to cut up. I skidded this wood out yesterday afternoon. I didn't make a video of it, but it was late in the day when I started cutting it. I got two dead elms. I got just over here, well, one in the sugar bush and one just over here. I skidded the whole pieces out, the whole tree. And then I have a basswood, a dead basswood, and a small dead maple, and a little elm. This right here is, there's my dog. Hi, pup. She's checking out the wood too. The dead elm, oh, it wasn't dead, it was a live elm. I had to cut it. It was in the way of one of these, so I had to cut it out of the way. Anyways, I got the basswood, the maple, the small elm, and two big elms to cut up. And I'm going to try out my MS 250. And cut up some of the small stuff at least. Okay guys, it's going pretty good. This will be all, this is for my outdoor furnace for next year. All this along here. Right there. It's all for next year's wood supply. Now the little saw's working okay. Can't beat the price. Free. Okay guys, so I'm over here in the woods. Got my tractor over there. My house is just right there. I finished cutting up the wood and now I'm walking through some berry bushes here. I'm going to look at these elms. There's a couple dead elms here. Right here. I think it's actually got colder out than it was an hour and a half ago. The wind's really picked up. It's about minus 12 or 15 with the wind chill. There's another one right here. Not really sure. I'm looking at them here. I don't know. I'm going to have to look at them better here. It's kind of leaning back in there, but might have to put the wedge in them. I can just back right up here and get them. Okay guys, as you can see, I have the notch in it. I kind of changed my mind a little bit. I was going to try to put it back in there, but I'm going to try. There's my tractor. I'm going to try to put it over here with a little wedge. A little bit of help from the wedge. Well, we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned. Okay. Come on, baby. There it goes. Okay guys, well, she went down where I wanted it to, but I was a little worried there for a minute. My wedges, these are my old wedges. I haven't broke out my new ones yet, but these are getting chewed up pretty good, but it's not a good sign when your wedges are all completely pounded in all the way and the tree's still not going. That's when it gets a little scary. The tree, it started to go, but the tree was wanting to go over here at one point. So yeah, it's not good when you sink your wedges and the tree's still standing. But there wasn't too much holding it either. Okay guys, well, we got the top limbed up there and I cut the top off. I'm just going to skid the top out now, and then I'm going to come back and get the bottom part, and then we'll have a look at this one. It's kind of, well, it is leaning back in there, so I think I'm just going to let it go. Maybe I'll just let it go against the other elm and pull it down, whatever's easier. Otherwise I got to cut a bunch of ironwood here, and we'll see. Stay tuned guys. This little guy here is going pretty crazy on this elm. I don't know if you can you guys see him? Oh yeah, there he is right there. Look at this guy. Whoops, I lost him. Where am I? Right there. Look at that guy just going at her. I think I'm going to make a mat here when I cut this tree down. Must be a lot of bugs in there or something. Okay. I hope you can find a new place to snack on, because this tree's going to be going, I don't know where it's going to be going, back in there I guess. As you can see, she's on the ground. Probably should have cut that little ironwood right there. It's kind of caught into that. I'll cut the butt off here, hook onto it, pull it out, and then I can just back over there, pull the top out of there, and then limb it up. I don't know where the woodpecker went, but he took off. Okay guys, we got that one we got that one hooked on, and I hooked all the little ironwood on, bring them out. And it's just about lunchtime, I think, so I'm going to go bring this out, have my lunch, cut it up, and that'll be enough for today. Tomorrow I might go over there. There's a big elm. I did show you the elm on one of the videos. It's a pretty dangerous one. It's a big one. It's right on the side of the hill there. I might cut that tomorrow. I'm not sure yet. See how the day goes. Okay guys, well, thanks for stopping by and hanging out with me, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Okay, stay tuned.